Welcome everybody, Brian here from T-Sportline in Atlanta, coming to you with another show and tell on Tesla Cybertrucks. We've been busy wrapping. Now normally we do a video with one truck and show you a color, but today I've got 4 up here and I figured let's do 4 and walk through all of them together and just show you some of the differences. First up over here, we've got Avery Satin Frozen Ocean. This has been a really popular color. Now this is vinyl, this is not PPF, but it's a metallic flip color, so depending on the angles, when you get up here and look at this, it's gonna be a really wild blue color, and Cybertruck owners love that. We've been doing that since the beginning, continues to be a popular color for us. Moving on to number 2, we've got T-Max Metallic Mars Red. This is PPF. This is a gloss metallic film on here. You know, we started with our Uber Red, we've done Blood Red, we've done Strawberry Red, we've done Rosso Red, but this metallic Mars Red is really hitting popular right now. And of course, here we've got our own truck. This is the T-Sportline development truck, and this has a Nuys Frozen Matte Sand. This is PPF as well. This is the first roll of that film ever. We wrapped this a little while back, and of course it's got all of our accessories, the new T-Sportline bumper, double row light bar, ditch lights, beadlock wheels. We'll get into that in another video. Now let's come on down here, and we've got T-Max Satin Black. This is the super popular blackout. Customers love a triple black on this. This customer's gonna end up window tinted, satin black. We've talked about blacks before. Remember, gloss black looks super cool, but it acts like a mirror and it's a little harder to keep clean. Satin black, no mirror reflection, more muted out, and a little easier to keep clean. That's 4 colors, 2 different types of film. You gotta let me know, T-Max Satin Black, the Nuys Frozen Matte Sand, T-Max Metallic Mars Red and Gloss, or Avery Satin Frozen Ocean. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite look, or another color if I didn't name it. We'll get to that soon. Give me a thumbs up for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'll have a lot more Cybertrucks to share with you real soon.